Hey everybody, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make this Hello Fall box sign. This project contains some of my favorite elements. I love the wood beads, the little plaid accent, and just overall the neutral colors. What is not to love about this project? Follow along and I will show you step by step how you can make this sign. The first thing you are going to do is you are going to paint the wood beads on the tag, and you are going to paint them white. Make sure you turn the beads so that you are covering all sides of the bead in white paint. Next, you are going to grab your vinyl and craft scraper or credit card, and you are going to apply pressure to the top of the vinyl. Slowly peel up the top piece of paper on the vinyl, taking the vinyl with it. You will then place the vinyl on the wood tag. It's going to be at the bottom of the tag and left justified. Take your craft scraper, and again you are going to apply pressure to the top of the vinyl. You will then slowly peel off the top paper. Make sure that you go slow so that you aren't pulling any of the vinyl back up. Next, you will take your black plaid paper and cut a rectangle that is 5 by 7. Use a tape runner and add some tape to the back of a 4 by 6 photo and add it to your plaid paper that you just cut. Add a small black clip to the top of the picture. You will then untie the knot on top of the wood tag, and then you're going to tie a new knot that is going to be closer to the wood beads. You just want the loop to be smaller so that it fits well over the tack. Place the tack through the loop, and then you are going to push the tack through the top of the box. It's going to be on the left side. Take a scissors and cut off any extra jute that you want to get rid of. Add glossy accents to the back of the black clip that's on the photo, and then you are going to adhere it to the box. You want it to be to the right of the wooden tag. And now your sign is ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this project at craftsdirect.com/projects.